No.
Then Mommy came along. Hey, you too. What? There's a better way for you two to both pull Molly's. How to pull Annie. Oh, so how shall we do it? Well, you have to make up who will go first. But who should? Whose is it? Thomas's, so Thomas should go first. And you go in the back, Toby. Then Thomas bumped into a cat. Ooh! Ooh! Then a skunk came. And it still just picked up.
A skunk!
Then it farted. Then, one more time. Then they were like, ew! What was that? Then, when Thomas went on the skunk's tail, he farted again. Then it tickled Thomas. Then he hopped away. Boom! Ugh. Ah, yucky. Ooh. Now you, Toby. Let's switch. Good. It's almost nighttime. It's nighttime now. But we still have to walk. You want to go to sleep? I am so tired. Where's my house? No.